Hi and welcome to this quick video about HackTheBox. Hopefully we're going to be starting a series on HackTheBox and going through all the old retired labs that have been going on at the moment. So I thought it would just be best to actually take you through what HackTheBox is, how you get in, and go from there. So HackTheBox is a penetration testing lab which allows you to have multiple machines that you can go in and target and capture the flags. There's two types of flags. There's a root flag and a user flag, and with these you have to go in and actually compromise the machine either via infrastructure or via web app. But before you actually get into that, you have to actually hack, so-called, into HackTheBox's website itself and become a member. Now to do this, you need to scroll down the website, which is hackthebox.eu. Scroll down the machine, if my computer works, and then click on Join HackTheBox. This will take you here to an invite code, and what you actually have to do is go look at this website, find out where the code is. Once you got the code, click on Sign Up, and that'll actually make you become a member. Now once you're a member, you can actually go through, if my computer works, log in here. And this actually shows you a lot of stuff here. So you've got HackTheBox, all the various origins, all the various areas you can go into. And there's a Hall of Fame, which is always quite nice once you've been working to see who's actually the best, who's got all the challenges, who's hacked the most amount of machines, who's got the most amount of root user accounts. And team rankings. The important bit here is machines and then active. At any one time, there's always 20 machines, and they get cycled out every week. And here you can just go down, see what the machines are, see what the difficulty is, what the ratings are, if people like them or they don't, how many people have actually owned the user or the root, and go down here. And as you can see, I haven't actually been on this area for quite a while, and all the machines that I had have all cycled out. But if you actually get a user or a root account, it actually turns green when you've actually got it. You've got retired down here, which you can click on here, and this shows all the machines that have retired after week. And yeah, as I said, it all goes down. Now if you like, you can actually become a VIP or get a VIP subscription, and what that is you've got more dedicated type of machines. There's not so many people running resets on them, so if you're in the middle of doing some kind of privilege escalation or anything like that, you're not in the worry of that it's going to get broken. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm hopefully going to be starting to create some walkthroughs on some of the retired machines moving forward. If you'd like to have any more thoughts on it, or if you'd like to subscribe to the Terabyte channel or comment down below on this video, then feel free to do that. Feel free to give this video a like and moving forward, and yeah, enjoy. Thanks very much.